I'm Bella Olympia Ring. My dream is to become a top-level Olympic horse jumping champion. I've learned, practiced, and dreamed of a horse of my very own. And then one day I met this girl, my dream horse. I planned to save up, somehow buy her. But the thing is, I can't convince my parents to let me get a horse. Then suddenly, it sounds as though my not-so-friend is gonna buy her. And then, in a sudden twist of turns, I've got a lot of work to do. Will my good times take me through my bad? Sure, things might get a little rough, but shall I still succeed?